This video contains facts and opinions which might hurt some people's feelings. Those people should buy a pack of Bernal and apply it on their birds. The whole world is fighting this stupid virus. Enter Coronel, the savior just in time to save millions of people from this pandemic. For only $535, it cures the disease in 100% of the cases. You know what? Fuck penicillin. This is the new miracle drug. We have the inventor of Coronel on our show. This man single-handedly is saving millions of people from the coronavirus. For the first time in history, a Nobel Prize in medicine is being offered to a man with no formal education in science. Guys, I give you Baba Ramdev. What the duck? What the hell are you doing, Baba? Are you milking the cow? Oh, never mind.
गोमूत्र पियो।
No thanks. Welcome to the show, Mr. Ramdev.
प्रणाम मेरे भाई, आपको बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन। आप भी लगातार युद्ध लड़ते रहते हैं और हम कोरोना से लेकर के और तमाम वैचारिक और अलग अलग प्रकार के संघर्षों और युद्धों के बीच में सेवा कर रहे हैं मेरे भाई।
Baba, I think you suffer from delusions of grandeur, which is commonly associated with narcissism. What imaginary wars are you fighting? Anyway, tell us more about the study you did.
280 रोगियों को सम्मिलित किया और वहाँ क्लिनिकल केस स्टडी का रिजल्ट भी अपने आप में अप्रतिम था। उसमें भी 100% पेशेंट्स की रिकवरी हुई।
In simple words, you looked at the patients who are healing because of their immune system. The drug didn't do shit.
ब्लाइंड टेस्ट था, क्लिनिकल कंट्रोल ट्रायल, और इसमें 100 पेशेंट सम्मिलित थे। इसका पूरा जो एथिकल कमेटी से अप्रूवल के बाद CTRI से अप्रूवल लेकर के और उसके बाद ये रिसर्च किया गया। इसमें विद इन 3 डेज 69% लोगों को रिकवर हो गया था। विद इन 7 डेज 100% पेशेंट रिकवर हो गए, नेगेटिव हो गए, और 0% डेथ रेट और किसी भी तरह के कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशंस।
Right. No complications, no side effects, and 100% effective. This sounds too good to be true. Let's dig deeper into this steaming pile of bullshit. They say Coronel contains hundreds of compounds. So does my piss. It's not a valid metric to quantify the efficacy of a drug. But hey, they have clinically proved it, right? Let's see how the trial was conducted. We are at NIMS, where the trial took place. Oh no, that patient's condition is getting serious. How did they deal with that situation? This is what they did. They simply removed the patients whose condition got severe from the trial itself. If you look at the patients with COVID, around 80% fall in the mild and asymptomatic category, 15% in the severe category, 5% become critical, and some of these people die. What they did in the trial is that they included only the people who are in the mild and asymptomatic category. The other people were totally excluded from the trial. This is an example of a fallacy called sampling bias. With this kind of trial, even Gomutra will give you a 100% result. You might ask, then what is the research they have submitted to the government? This is the first paper they have submitted. It is a study of something totally unrelated to COVID. The second paper is a computer simulation of two proteins and how they react. There's no peer review, no experimental evidence, and it doesn't even explore the interaction between the two proteins in humans or any other living species. If you say this is not a cure, this is an immunity booster, then I think you should climb up a tall building and jump, because Baba Ramdev has stressed in every interview that this is not an immunity booster but a cure. Watch this.
पहला सवाल है
कि क्या ये एक इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर है या फिर कोरोना के मरीज को पूरी तरह से ठीक कर देगा।
अब आप इसको रिकवर कह दो, उसको आप क्योर कह दो, हम तो इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर की तो बात ही नहीं कर रहे। पेशेंट्स को एज ए मेडिसिन उसको दिया गया और उसका अप्रूवल लेकर के दिया गया और उसके रिजल्ट आए वो बता दिए।
Now they are selling Coronil as an immunity booster. This is the fastest U-turn in history. You won't find this news on Republic TV. Didn't Baba tell his close friend Arnab that Coronil is now not a cure but an immunity booster? Why this pisses me off? Because of this, now idiots will not wear masks in public and will not maintain any social distancing. God only knows if they will wash their hands after using the toilet. It is unethical to take advantage of such a depressing situation. People are dying, losing jobs, millions are sleeping hungry every night, and here you are, selling snake oil for money and fame. You are pissing on Ayurveda. There are some really good Ayurvedic medicines, but things like this will defame Ayurveda. These kind of stupid stunts will reduce the reputation of India and Indian research globally. NIMS has lost many people's respect for associating itself with such kind of bullshit. There are many people and many institutes which are working hard against this pandemic. But how does the world see us? Cow-piss drinking morons. They are just con man milking the gullible in these hard times. That's enough rant for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Remember guys, there is an allegation that Ramdev killed his old business partner. If I go missing, you know whom to suspect. Now please subscribe because you will receive a notification if I am murdered.